Welcome to Zama cartoon. Hello kids, let's learn sea animals' name.
Row, row, row the boat softly on the sea. Look who's coming now, happy as can be. Dolphin, doo-doo, dolphin came from boat, jumping in the water, making kids float. Whale, 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 whale came from boat, the biggest in the ocean, singing as they float. Shark, 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 shark came from boat, shark teeth shining, swimming as they float. Octopus, oh, oh, octopus came from boat, 8 arms waving, moving as they float. Jellyfish, squid, squeeze, squeeze, squid came from boat, squirting out the ink, swimming as they float. Jellyfish, jellyfish came from boat, soft and glowing jelly, drifting as they float. Jelly, yes, starfish, starfish, starfish came from boat, 5 arms shining, resting as they float. Turtle, 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 turtle came from boat, slow and steady turtle, swimming as they float. Out a crab, 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 crab came from boat, snappy little claws, clicking as they float. Live lobster, Lola lobster came from boat, red and strong, lobster crawling as they float. Seahorse, seahorse came from boat, cloudy little tail, dancing as they float. All the walrus came from boat, big long tusks resting as they float. Adley clownfish, clownfish came from boat, orange and white stripes hiding as they float. An angelfish came from boat, bright and shining colors, swimming as they float. Stingray, 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 stingray came from boat, gliding like a blanket, flying as they float. And eel came from boat, slippery and slim, sliding as they float. Row, 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 row the boat softly on the sea. All the sea friends came happy as can be.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.